Namaste everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Shiftosh, co-founder of Sugarfit. Join me as we explore a week of delicious and diabetes-friendly breakfast options designed to keep your blood sugar in check with every tasty bite. Life as a diabetic can be challenging, especially when it comes to meal planning, right? We understand the struggle of wanting to enjoy a breakfast without compromising on your health. So here is the 7-day meal plan option for you. Day 1. The excellent beginning. Kickstart your week with a nutritious egg. We all know eggs are calorie efficient, protein rich choice, scrambled or in an omelette with vegetables. Eggs are an ideal way to begin your day. Research even suggests that including 2 eggs in a day in your diet can lower fasting blood sugar level and improve long-term blood sugar control. Day 2. Yogurt with berries. Now, day 2 brings you a delightful combination of yogurt with berries. Not only is it quick and pleasant, but daily consumption of yogurt may regulate blood sugar levels and aid digestion. You can also add some almonds for extra crunch or sweetness if desired. Day 3. Chia seed pudding. For your 3rd day, prepare a chia seed pudding in advance. High in fiber and omega-3s, chia seeds offer a slow release of digestible carbohydrate. When you mix it with almond milk, vanilla and refrigerate overnight for a delicious and nutritious pudding, top it up with a carved fruit or a sugar-free sweetener if you crave for extra flavor. Day 4. Oatmeal goodness. On day 4, opt for a oatmeal. Aim for a cup to maintain a healthy carbohydrate load. Now, oats are known for beta-glucan, a special fiber that helps with cholesterol control and keep you feeling full. Day 5. Multigrain avocado on toast. Now, halfway through the week, eat a multigrain avocado on toast. Avocados offer fiber and monosaturated fatty acids, contributing to stable blood sugar levels. Enhance the dish with eggplant or pepper for better taste. Day 6. Low carb smoothie. On the 6th day, indulge in a low carb smoothie. Blend half an avocado, almond milk, yogurt, and a hint of vanilla extract for a nutritious treat. You can also add protein if needed for sweetness. A perfect solution for refreshing breakfast. Coming to the last day, day 7, fruit and nut bowl with paneer. Wrap up the week with a fruit and nut bowl featuring creamy paneer. Rich in protein, this delightful combination can lower insulin resistance. You can also customize it with your favorite fruit and nut for sweet, delicious breakfast. To know many more such food, refer to our video here where we have talked about top 10 foods to eat if you have diabetes. There you have it, a 7-day breakfast plan tailored for people with diabetes. If you found this helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more insightful content about diabetes. I'll see you in the next one.